Hello friends, myself Amrish from the Uplets. We are providing you digital marketing training program. This training program is a life-changing technologies program and in which you learn how the digital marketing is really associated with every kind of the business in your day-to-day life. Whatever you are seeing in your surrounding, whatever you are looking over the search engine, whatever you are seeing over the social media, whatever you are seeing on the television and mobile phones, everywhere it's a part of digital marketing. The power behind this type of advertisement and the product that you are seeing having the digital marketing in behind it. So before proceeding, I just want to explain the exact definition of digital marketing. Digital marketing is a component of marketing that utilize internet and online based digital technology. I am adding the two different words. Digital marketing having internet and online based digital technology means not only internet but also the digital technology that is online actually. So it contains the desktop, including desktop, laptop, tablet, mobile phone, basically smart mobile phone, and other digital media and platform to promote products and services. Means all the digital media platform that offers us to promote product and services. Again, I am extending the definition of digital marketing. That digital marketing is not limited by only online and internet. It's now extended to the non-internet channels like television, mobile phone, feature mobile phone that is having only the facility of SMS and MMS. So many times on a website you see that they have the option that give us your mobile number and we will call you back. And one more thing that we can notice, that whenever we connecting with a person by the mobile phone, then before the joining the call, we listen, we hear some notification, some advertisement kind of that's provided by the mobile service provider. So these all the parts are also associated with the digital marketing. So now digital marketing is growing day by day. All the platforms, all the things that are internet and non-internet are associating with this technology. Those are using digital technology basically. Now here one more thing that I want to explain, that exactly what things come in the digital marketing other than television and this because you know all these things, that television you know laptop, you know desktop, everything is but what kind of the technology is promoting with the help of these platform. So that is actually the digital marketing that you are going to learn. Means what activities you will do after the completion of this course that comes inside the digital marketing. So digital marketing is the combination of SEO, SMO, paid, online and internet marketing. So here one term is coming SEO. The exact definition of SEO is search engine optimization. This is actually the optimization of website to make your website very comfortable with the search engine. When people search any type the keywords over the Google, over the Yahoo, over the Bing, then they find the information that they are looking. Now here one term I use, that is the keyword. What is the keyword? The keyword is actually the term that you think to search over the search engine when you want to find some information, some product and some services. So here I just want to explain you exactly what is keyword. The Google is before me. Now here I am going to search simply a question like what is the best digital marketing course. So I'm searching this. Now, the terms we use this. What is the best digital marketing course? This is actually the keyword. Now I am again bringing you the bottom of this search. When you search this type the keyword, Google also suggests you best digital marketing course 2090. Still people are running learning this course, means they are looking for this, and Google is showing the data of last 12 months here. So this is course listed here, this keyword is listed here just because people are not looking in the 2020, but Google is giving us the data of last 12 months. So here we are seeing this digital marketing course 2090. Now, best digital marketing course online, Quora. Quora is a different thing that I will explain you in future class, but here just to give you a glimpse that this is a very wonderful platform over the internet for content marketing. So you can see best online digital, these all the terms you are looking here, seeing here is actually the keyword that you will search over the search engines to find exactly what you are want to find. So this is the keyword, and sometime digital marketing trainer treated it as a key phrases. So now here this is the very simple to understand, that is these are the key terms that are the backbone of search engine. So now I am again moving to there. So now I am again here, SMO, social media optimization. I hope you understand the search engine, how we use the keyword to search a particular service product, and what is the exactly search engine and keywords combination. So I just moved to the SMO, social media optimization. I hope all of you are using the some social media platform like Facebook, like Twitter, like Instagram, and other social media platform that you love to use. So these social media platforms are actually the very good business place, which you can promote your business from here very well. Actually, the social media is the very good platform for the user engagement. Every time social media having a big number of people all time, but how do you find these people? So there is a small technique, and we can say that that's really a very strong technique that we will use to promote any product over the social media. So now I am moving to a social media site that's called Facebook, and just want to tell you that how you are able to see the promoted post and how you are seeing the normal post, and what is the exactly difference between the two kind of the posts. So just moving you. Now I am at Facebook and just want to show you the things that this is a simple post that we use for our Facebook page. Facebook page and Facebook profile are the two different things. I will explain the basic difference of these two things in my next class. Just tell you, the Facebook profile is for a human or the person, while the Facebook page is for human as well as organization. So here I am at the page of a company in which I am seeing that they have posted one thing. There is some hashtags like this: software development company, software development. So these hashtags are actually engaging the people all over the world who love to see the content those are associated with these tags. Now here is also the paid campaigning that I just show you, but cover in my next session. That you can see this is the Adobe Experience Cloud. This post is actually a paid post because they are promoting their business without help of hashtags. They targeting a particular audience with the help of geography, location, age group, interest. So the basic difference of a normal post and a paid post is that you can see sponsored listing. When some post having the term like sponsored, this means this is a promoted post over a social media platform. So this is the basic difference between the post. So every time this social media platform having the bunch of people, means lack of people are staying here, searching here, looking here about as per their interest. So if we are promoting our business over this platform, then definitely a lot of people can join us with the help of hashtag, with the help of paid promotion. So this is the basic philosophy behind the SMO, that people are using for their personal use, but as a digital marketers, we and you can use this platform for promoting the business. Now I am again moving to the same place where I am explaining the things. Now here two terms I also want to explain you. One is the paid and one is the traffic from search engine. You have a website. So what is your final requirement from that website? You want the people visit your website. You want people came to your website and do some activity like fill the query form, ask inquiry, ask to call back us. You want some activities, means user engagement over the website. There are the two terms that is really used to bring the users over the website. In the digital marketing term, when a user visit your website, then it is called the traffic over the website. This traffic comes from the two sides. Either it come with the organic, means without any pay, and or it come from the paid marketing, means either we run the paid campaign over the search engine, either we run paid campaign over the social media, YouTube or any other platform. So these two kind of the traffic comes from the various sources. Now I just explain you, if a paid campaigning is running over the Facebook, they have some small word like sponsored. But if a paid campaign is running over the search engine, then they also have a small term that you can identify this is the paid. Or if a paid campaign is running for the display marketing, it also a small term, so that you can identify that this is the paid marketing. So now I am navigating you over the search engine, where I can show you how the organic search result and paid search results are showing. Here I am taking one more term, search result. Search result is a very simplified word for me, and I make also for you. Whenever you search any keyword over the search engine, then you see the listing of 10, 12 websites over the screen, then this is actually the search result. So the search result is basically the outcome of your keyword search. So now I am moving toward the search engine and I explain you the things. Again here over the Google and just tell you that I search the what is the best digital marketing course, and we see this ad, this, and we see this normal things. So now I am explaining one by one terms. Whenever you search any keyword over the search engine, then the search engine's primary priority is this: they provide you a complete solution of your query. Means you either move for the paid campaign, means paid ads, you can see the suggestions by the Google, I mean search engine, that is called the suggestions. Like people are searching this keyword and very interested to read this and this type the post. People who are searching this keyword can also search. If they are not getting the proper answer, then they use this term, and you can hear feedback also. And this term that is having no any other point like this. Here you can see the ad is showing before the result, then this means this is the sponsored, this means this is the paid search result, and this is organic because it has no to show anything, so this is the organic. So this is the basic difference between and the things you are seeing on this screen is called actually the search engine result page. In short, we can see it SERP: S for search, E for engine, R for result, and P for page. So you can see they are giving you question answer, means if someone is searching this keyword, then they also want to discuss. So you can discuss over the various content marketing sites. And in the local area, you can see the nearby locations. Those are providing the digital marketing course. As of now, I am where this is the taking the local location of that place. Other than this, I earlier told you Google also suggests so many other keywords that you can search to find the appropriate result, because so many times whenever you search a particular keyword and search engine is not giving the very correct answer, and maybe it is correct but you are not satisfied, then Google or search engine provide so many other options that you can use. So here you can see that these are the 8 suggestions by the search engine. So you can use these also if you are not getting the proper answer or satisfied content that you want. So now I am again navigating you. As of now, I told you what is the exact definition of SEO, what is the SMO, what is paid campaign. Online and internet marketing is a very big area. So I am taking this point one by one, and I also explain you the traffic on website from search engine, engagement from social media platform, promotion by the paid marketing that I said you sponsored and aid. Now I again divide this paid marketing in some more terms, means paid marketing is not limited till the social media only and the search engine sponsored listing. It contains the display marketing, it contains the Gmail marketing, means we can see email marketing. Like if you are seeing your email in your inbox, then you can see a lot of ads are there. Even today, whenever you are watching any video over the YouTube, then you can see that there are also a big number of ads. So these all the things come inside the paid marketing. Now online and internet marketing is need to explain that email marketing, mobile app marketing, content marketing, WhatsApp marketing and image marketing. These are actually the part of online and internet marketing, because in the email marketing you have collected the data of various entrepreneur or various decision making people and send them email that we are providing so and so services, and if you want you can contact us. Mobile app marketing, whenever you are seeing any game, any information, whatever you are seeing over the mobile app, you see a lot of ads are coming. So this is also a part of mobile app marketing. Content marketing, as I say, there is a Quora kind website where you can share your good content, even very good content, to explain and influence the user. Those are the part of Quora. WhatsApp messaging is actually the part of local marketing promotion. Means if you are going to promote a local business like plumber, like electrician, like pet clinic, then WhatsApp marketing and WhatsApp messaging is the very good tool. Email sharing marketing is a marketing that is actually promotion for the things that you can explain with the help of images, like flower shop, like kids school, like this. So these all the things are the part of digital marketing. Whatever you are seeing over the internet, whatever seeing on the online, whatever seeing on television, the power behind these all kind of advertisement is digital marketing. This I told you that digital marketing is this. But how will you satisfy the client? The client is satisfied with the only results. He wants result. But what is the result you want to show? You have to show the result in the terms of monitoring and analysis. There are the Google Analytics that I will take a complete session with the Google Analytics, that how to install the code, how to monitor the report, how to make the report. The same with the Webmaster tool that is called the Search Engine Console. These all the tool provided by the Google, and even the third one and fourth one is also with the Google. Google Load Checker, by which you can show your client that we reduce the loading size. Means loading size I explained in a one. Whenever you open a website over a mobile phone or over a desktop computer, it takes some time. So the time the taking by the website is actually called the load time. So as a digital marketing, your first priority is this: you have to reduce the load time as much as possible with the help of designer or developer, because so many time a website owner displays all the images there, all the codes there, so you can distribute the images in another folder and optimize the image, reduce the size 1 MB to KB, and call the some code with the help of CSS and SERP ranking that I already explained you. Any client give you a number of keywords, so you have to continuously monitor bi-weekly, fortnightly or monthly that what is the exactly progress of the keyword. Means if some particular keyword is on the 10th position in the beginning, and now it is the 7th, now it is the 5th, and now it is the 4th, and now it is the 2nd position. So these all the terms help you to explain the result before the client. With the help of Google Analytics, you can see a lot of information, like from where clients come from, where which landing page they land, what activities he do or she do, and where he navigate. These all the terms we can make in a form of report to share the clients, and lot of other tools that you can show in the beginning to client that your number of backlinks are these, broken links are this is the problem. So I will take each and every tool step by step. Here I am just give you a glimpse that what is the role of Google Analytics, what is the role of Webmaster Tool, what is the load checker, what is the SERP. Webmaster Tool is a very wonderful tool that give you the exact very nice keyword for your business. So we have to understand these all the tools step by step. Now today I am just glimpsing you that these are the important tools that you can show with the help of Google Analytics and Webmaster Tool to your client, that we are doing a lot of work. So now one more final question you may ask to me, that sir, after this course what will be my job profile? So that's really a very good question, and I really appreciate. After the completion of this course, you can become the SEO analyst that I already told you the activities, social media specialist that you can run campaign over the social media, you can do various activities, online lead manager. Lead is the backbone of every business, means every business actually want business, and that is the part, that is the outcome of the lead. Means whenever you get a lead, you have to convert it. Google AdWords specialist, email marketing specialist, e-commerce is really a very good future in the next 2 or 3 years, because people are scared with this corona pandemic, so they don't want to go outside to purchase anything, they just want home delivery. People took their order and send the items to their doorstep. Again, the digital marketing executive and digital marketing strategies, these are just a simple roles that is the you get in the beginning, but other than this you can have lot of information that how the search engine work, how the digital media is work, how the social media is work, and you can build your own business. Means you can become an entrepreneur after the completion of this course. There are the various opportunities after this digital marketing course. So I hope you had enjoyed my course, and stay tuned with me to learn a lot of things about the digital marketing. Myself Amrish Srivastava from Oplets, an online digital marketing training program provider. Thank you for joining me.